Hello!
We're doing something a little bit different today.
Yeah, we are over at Saratoga Springs Resort at the Disney Vacation Club Preview Center.
One of the perks of being a DVC member and living locally is they every once in a while have a special event to help launch a new product.
Yeah.
And as all of us know, the Riviera Resort is almost nearing the end of its completion.
Yay.
They're already taking reservations for December.
I think they're already booked for December.
But they just recently opened up membership sales to existing members and new members. And for those of us that live locally here at the Preview Center, in addition to all the renderings we've been seeing, they actually have some of the mock-up rooms and villas.
We're super excited to go in and see it. So far, we've only seen photos of renderings and things like that. I think this is really exciting.
So join us as we go today to check out the studio and one-bedroom villa at the all-new Riviera Resort.
Can we sleep in it?
You might get weird looks, but we'll find out.
Oh, okay, let's try.
And that is one of the best benefits of being a DVC member who lives local. When there's special events or information to be had, they let us know. So getting to come over and check out the new villas for Riviera Resort, totally a bonus here on just a Sunday afternoon for us.
I thought the rooms were really beautiful. The artwork in them was all really cool and special. I love the way they took that turn. I love the different Murphy beds that pull down from the wall and underneath the TV. I thought it was a great use of space, and it really did make it feel a lot larger.
They had a variety of different new sleeping styles, the one being the Murphy bed that converts the entire wall that the sofa is on into a full-size fold-down bed.
Yeah.
So, as the tour guide was mentioning, it eliminates the tri-fold sofa sleepers that we're used to, so you get a full mattress every time, which is a great benefit. They did great detailing on that trundle bed that folds out, like under the TV there.
We were in there a minute before I said, so how do we use our points for this? Because it was very pretty, you know?
Yes, it was. All the amenities you expect from DVC. You have your washer and dryer in the one-bedroom unit, your kitchen in the one-bedroom unit, kitchenettes in the studio.
Yeah.
So everything felt very familiar and felt very home as a DVC member.
And the materials they used were really luxurious materials. There was a lot of marble and Carrara looking thing, like just very pretty. It felt very luxurious for that space, which I think is great and really reminiscent of that European feel you want.
And speaking to the artwork, it actually made us realize when we were chatting with the tour guide at the end, the opportunities for Disney character immersion into this resort are fantastic.
Yeah.
If you really think it's the Riviera, it's, you know, the French Riviera, Italy, immediately Ratatouille,
Yeah.
Belle,
Aristocats,
any Beauty and the Beast, you know, all that. I guess that's Belle. But everything you can think of that was Disney set in Europe can be at the character breakfast up at Topolino, which is on the rooftop of the resort.
Yeah.
So there's so many great opportunities for the things that we still don't know before the resort opens in December.
But we're excited to find out.
A cool thing that was also pointed out, but that you could feel, the room in the main space in the one bedroom was larger.
Yeah.
They actually put the balcony inset into the room between your one bedroom main area and your sleeping area. So you get this huge family living space.
Yeah.
And kind of the same footprint that our other DVC villas have. So great open space in there for a family.
Yeah, definitely. And even the studio felt like a good amount of space. I liked it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Both of the rooms laid out in a way that makes a little bit more sense today than when some of the last resorts were built recently. So again, we love being DVC members. You know our home resort is Aulani because someone's in love with Hawaii.
Have we ever mentioned that?
Both of us are in love with Hawaii.
Oh, yeah.
But we'd love to know. Leave a comment down below if you're a DVC member, how long you've been a DVC member, because there's people there from the 90s who are still owners, and what your home resort is, and your favorite part of being a DVC member.
Oh, yeah.
Let's hear more about those benefits and perks that we all get to share.
Maybe there's things we don't even know.
There probably is.
Yeah.
And don't forget, if you liked this video and our quick tour of the new Riviera rooms, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified every time we upload a new video.
Yeah, take the link, share it with any friends, family who may want to be DVC members, who are DVC members, or who just like Disney or hotels, you know.
Or anyone who wants to get the sneak peek of the new DVC villas at the Riviera Resort.
Yeah, definitely. They even have merch for the Riviera.